What's up, fellas? What's the deal? What's up, fellas? It's a damn deal. We're gonna start at 8:05. We're gonna start at 8:05, getting this presentation started. What's good, Penny Eater? What's good? Oh man, I'm about to drop some shit today. We're gonna talk about what's on the child support record. That's why a lot of people not getting off of child support. A lot of people don't know what's on the record. Penny Eater in the house with the other two. What's up, other two? What's the deal? What's going on? The other 3, 5. Greetings, Smokey. Shit. Yeah, I'm finna drop some cold shit tonight. It's a Sunday fun day night. Ooh, man. We always dropping some different shit. Hold up. 1 more minute left. Oh, what's going on? Caesar, what's going on? Shit, already. Got 1 more minute to start. Good to see you 3 in here. Other 2 in here ain't saying nothing. It's all good. All right. We reserve all of our rights. Oh yeah, everything good. We reserve all our rights, unknown rights, and waive none. Okay. What's good, Alan? What's good, bro? Shit, just chilling. Just chilling, fam. We're gonna start off. All right. Y'all see that? Huh? Thanks for brother Sean for dropping this shit. Look at this shit, fellas. To be honest, I think black women should start falsely accusing black men of sexual rape / assault. It works for white women and they get a pretty penny from it. If black women can't get the coin through marriage, then we might as well get it through the court. What y'all got to say about this shit, fam? Huh? Thanks, brother Sean and Victor Moreland for sharing this on IG. That brother got some cold shit. You know what I'm talking about? This the shit I be drooling over. I drool over this shit. You know what I mean? Before we go into the topics, I want to expunge on some shit for y'all. All right? Let me drop some knowledge. When shit get hot, bitches get cold. Remember that. All right? Fellas, the woman is the gatekeeper of the pussy, right? But we men are the gatekeepers of marriage. Peace to Brother Kish for preaching earlier today. You know what I mean? Dropping this knowledge, we be having some cold conversations. Bitches is hurting out here, fellas. They want to make it seem like you're hurting. Fellas, when you get over that emotional shit, it's about your children, and it's not, because if it was about your children, bam, it wouldn't be no child support. And I'm going to prove it tonight with some Title 4D laws. All right? We're going to debunk a lot of foolishness. Okay? Just look at this shit. See that shit? That's some bullshit, ain't it? Yeah. Yes, sir. Real talk. Hold up. I'm going to drop some more cold shit. Wait a minute. Yeah, man. That's some dirty shit, fellas. Broke, hoe, modest. They want you to be their slaves. You know what I'm talking about? If you don't sign nothing, they don't have nothing. Right? Let's talk about what's on the child support record. Thank you. Let's talk about the child support record. If you were to obtain sham stopper services, the first thing we ask you, what did you sign? What's on the record? And if you don't know what's on the record, fellas, that shit can come back and haunt you and bite you in your ass. Right? Because we ask you, what did you sign? You don't know if the bitch signed, she put an increase, and you get letters now wonder like, man, why am I getting this shit? Why didn't increase my money? Because she went down there to go ask for an increase on her loan, her debt that she wants you to pay. Right? Let me put up some laws for y'all. Hold up. I'm gonna put up some laws. Wait a minute. Okay. Y'all ready? All right, I'm loading it up right now. Y'all see this shit up here? Huh? See that? Eligible for child support services. The Title 4D agency on the application otherwise authorized by law may provide services for the benefit of the children without the regard to whether the child has received public assistance. So this is what this means, fellas. They don't care if your baby mama receiving public assistance. They just want to go off the loan that she went down to apply for. Check this out. Application and service fees. Title 4D may charge a reasonable application fee, charge a $25 annual fee, and to the extent permitted by federal law, recover the cost of service provided in a Title 4D case. Right? An application fee may not be charged in the case in which Title 4D agency provides services because the family receives public assistance. Right? Application fee may not exceed a maximum amount established by federal law. Title 4D may impose and collect fee as authorized by federal law for each request parents locator services. For the state disbursement unit established and operated by Title 4D agency under Chapter 234, right? May collect a monthly service fee of $3 in the case of which support payments are proposed, right? See that shit? Huh? Look at this shit. Don't know niggas. This is the only channel that goes after the bitch. The bitch puts shit on the record and her lawyer sometimes, you know what I mean? And you don't even know about it and you wondering why you getting so much hell. You gotta go check the record, fellas. Peace. You gotta check the record. What you ask Peanut? Non-tantum, right? Yes, non-tantum. It don't matter. Non-tantum or tantum. Because let me tell you something. These lawyers and attorney general are so slick. Say if you get you get into a wreck, fellas, or you finna get Social Security. The attorney general alert your lawyer who you got to represent you to take your money. Once you give them power to, once you start signing in paperwork, they give it to you. They take your shit and they give you the disbursement. You're talking about the state owed. What they got to do with the state and these attorney generals? Nothing. Right? Look at this. Except as the notice includes that the child support order, a party subject to the support order shall be provided notice not less than once every 3 years of the party's rights to request that the Title 4D agency review, if appropriate, adjust the amount order support. You see that shit? This is some biased bullshit, and it's this bitch's shit. The Title 4D agency may review a support order at any time on the showing of the material substantial change in circumstances taken into consideration for the best interest of the child. Y'all see this? Y'all seeing it firsthand? Let me see what somebody answer some questions. Exactly. That's why I say you can't go after these people. You got to go after the motherfucker who signed your name on that shit. Right? I'm going to give y'all a remedy tonight. Hold on. Just be patient with me. I'm going to give y'all a good remedy tonight. All right? The Title 4D agency on an application otherwise authorized with application. So who signs the application? Your baby mama, right? Man, they coming, dude. They broke. These hoes broke, dog. These hoes broke. Yeah, it's the bitch, dog. Hold on. Y'all see the bottom right here? Non-cooperation by recipient of public assistance. The failure by a person who is a recipient of public assistance under Chapter 31 Human Resources Code to provide accurate information as required by Section 31.031 Human Resources Code shall serve as the basis for determination by Title 4D agency, and that the person did not cooperate with the Title 4D agency. Y'all see that shit? Huh? Y'all see that shit? Hold up. B. The Title 4D agency shall identify the actions or failures to act by a recipient public assistance that constitutes non-cooperation with the Title 4D agency. Let me hit y'all with something. I'm going to read the rest of it. I'm going to break this shit down. Adopt rules governing non-compliance and send non-compliance determinations to the Texas Department of Human Services right here for immediate imposition of sanctions, right? In adopting rules under this section that establish the basis for determining that a person has failed to cooperate with the Title 4D agency. The Title 4D agency shall consider whether, it's getting good, fellas, good cause exists for the failure to cooperate. The person has failed to disclose the name, location of the alleged probable parent of the child, if known by the person at the time applying for public Yo, what's up? Y'all still here? Talk to me. Y'all still here? Talk to me. Y'all still here? Somebody holler at me. Y'all still here? Let me see y'all still here. Hold on. Y'all still here, huh? That's what's up. Y'all see that? Look at that shit. The person named the man as alleged father. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's go. All right, check this out. 231-116 information on the net. The child support, the Title 4D agency shall place on the internet public access child support information to assist the public in child support matters, including application forms, child support collection in other states, and profiles of certain obligors who are in arrears in paying child support. You see that shit? Huh? Y'all see this? Information on the service of citation. Man, she did not have to give y'all name up. You know that, right? She did not have to give up your information. That's all I'm just showing y'all. That's all I'm just showing y'all. She could have said, no, thank you. I'm receiving these benefits. I'm doing it on my behalf. You know what I mean? Fellas, we living in a snitch culture. And when me and Brother Kish was talking about peace, Brother Marcus, and we were what Kish was talking about, right? We was talking about what he told me. The word bitch ain't got to do with no gender. It has to do with heart. Okay? Heart. Okay? Heart. Look at that, man. Yes, it's her case, fellas. Not yours. Not yours. Hold up. I'm going to put something else up. Y'all see this shit? The Title 4D agency, by rule, shall establish procedures for the imposition of fees of recovery costs authorized under the section. That was a part of the application fee. This is a continuation of the application fee, fellas. A fee unauthorized under this section for providing child support enforcement services is part of the child support obligation. If the obligor is responsible for the fee and may be enforced against the obligor through any method available for the enforcement of child support, including contempt. The Attorney General Child Support Application and Service Fee account is an account in the General Revenue Fund and the State Treasury. The account consists of all fees and costs collected under this section. The Title 4D agency may only use the money in the account for agency program expenditures. Expenditures. Woo! You see that, fellas? See that shit? This is what your baby mama signed you up for and the Attorney General. You go after the bitch and her. Just sue everybody who fucked over your name. And let me tell you something. I'm finna give you a cold ass remedy right now. Just bear with me, fellas. God damn. Hold on. Give y'all something good tonight. Tell me something good. Hold on, wait a minute. Tell me that you like it. Hold on, I'm gonna give y'all some cold shit. Peace to all the brothers that dropped down. Hold on, wait a minute. But read that shit. Look at all that shit, fellas. Payee. Now we finna switch it. We finna switch it, fellas. Is the state trust and they have a Title 4D trust too? Your social security number is the trust that she took down there. That's what that is. Now we're gonna switch it to Amnesty. You know, these people have amnesty programs, right? Look what amnesty means, fellas. I'm looking for this other remedy for you. Y'all read this shit right here. Amnesty, what that means. If they have amnesty programs, they're going to hit you with the express amnesty granted in direct terms. They're going to give you terms, but they want to use amnesty to pardon you from child. Man, come on, man. What's up, fellas? What's up? You only getting this shit at Sham Stop. You ain't getting it nowhere else. Real talk. You ain't getting this shit nowhere else. Y'all see that shit? Amnesty. Hold on, I'm gonna give y'all a powerful one. This is how I'm gonna rebut all this bullshit. This is coming out of Black's Laws, 8th edition. Amnesty. I got another one. Yep, the bitch making you pay their bills. Yep, charge you to pay their bills. Yep, you own it, bro. Look what amnesty mean. Look at that shit. Amnesty, a collective or general pardon from the state. They were all granted amnesty for their crimes. Forgiveness. Read the book of Matthew about forgiving us of our sins. And do you know in Texas, garnishments are illegal? Discharge. If they're going to give you amnesty, they're supposed to discharge her debt. Right? Acquittal, exoneration, waived, and dismissal. Immunity, clemency. Talking about some child support amnesty, my ass. Shit, you am a damn lie. Hold on, I'm going to do y'all one more favor and we're going to go in. You know what I'm talking about? Hold on a second. I'm going to show y'all how this was an invasion of privacy. She didn't have to disclose any of your shit, right? Exemption, forgetting, oblivion. Look at that. She didn't have to give your information out, fellas. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. That's right. Hey man, we dropping the facts. I'm gonna drop one more thing for y'all. Hold up. Hold up. I gotta open something up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. Oh, that bitch ain't low yet. Come on, motherfucker, load. Oh, here you go. Hold up, fellas. You gonna love this one. I'm finna show you when she ain't had your permission to do so. I'm finna show you. You see that? Invasion of privacy. For separate torts, appropriation. The unauthorized use of a person's name, likeliness, or personality for the benefit of another. B, false light. Unreasonably offenses. Publicity, placing the plaintiff in a false light. intrusion, an unreasonable offense, intrusion into someone's private affairs or concerns, public disclosure of a private fact, unreasonable offense. Look at that shit. What's up, fellas? Y'all like that? Huh? Look at that shit. Exactly. She applies for the loan. Y'all pay it back when she intrude on your name and shit. You know what I'm talking about? That's crazy. She ain't got your permission to do that shit. You know what I'm talking about? Real talk. Public disclosure, fellas. Now, hold up. You know I gotta put this motherfucker up, right? You know I gotta put this motherfucker up. Paternity case. Out of here. Disposed. Out of here, fellas. One of our other favorites. Disposed. What's up? We got some more to go. You know what I'm talking about? This has been a good podcast, man. I can't say that. Dropping these basic, simple jewels. You know what I'm talking about? Just dropping these jewels. We the only one that does this shit. Okay? Paternity cases are easy. They're not hard. They cannot take your DNA. You know what I mean? They cannot speak for you, fellas. The bitch did that. We get this bitch and them. Because every other channel that teaches not to go against the baby mama, they don't have these type of results. Okay? They won't get these results. I guarantee you. Because they too busy just getting singling one entity out that who ain't did it. Right? We just showed you that she didn't have to sign your name up for nothing. And this how we got this case right here done out of here. You know what I'm talking about? Every win makes it better. Yes. Y'all didn't have to sign for paternity. You didn't have to sign for all that. It ain't your paperwork, it's theirs. And your baby mama, she signed all that. She signed up for that shit. Let her take the debt. Right? Let her take the debt. She in charge of the debt. Right? It's out of here. Attack the root. Yes, you got to go to the root of the problem. Right? You got to go to the root of the problem, fellas. And here's the root of the problem right here. That's the root of the problem. This is your problem. This is 99% of these bitches on this planet. I'm not going to say every woman because I'll be generalizing shit, but I said 99%. Jay-Z says 99. I got 99 problems and a bitch ain't one, right? Let me hit y'all with something. Y'all ready for this? Let me tell you what my first baby mama did me. Let me tell you how she did me. I tried to get shit in order with her, right? She had 2 other children from a previous marriage, and they love their daddy. So I said, hey, go give their daddy, let their daddy have custody of those children, or it's not going to work out. Guess what the bitch hit me with? Destiny Child had a song called You Must Don't Know About Me, You Must Don't Know About Me. I can have another Nick in a minute. How I go? I can have another you in a minute. Yeah. Shit, the bitch told me that shit. That's why I got rid of that bitch. I'm not finna pay you, bitch. You the babysitter. I'm not gonna pay you to babysit, hoe. You gonna do the shit. Okay? Real talk. She told me, don't act like you ain't irreplaceable, nigga. She told me that. I was not. Don't act like you ain't irreplaceable, nigga. So I said, well, shit, bitch. It's time for you to go. Real talk. Real talk. She said that. Fellas, I'm finna sign off. Guard your nuts so we can rescind our signature. Dude, you can do anything you want to do. You know what I'm talking about? You can do anything you want to do. Jesus got killed behind hoes. That's all I'm going to tell you. He ain't died for us, fellas. That nigga got murdered on a fucking tree behind something like this on this goddamn screen. He didn't die for me. Because if Jesus died for me, I'm supposed to be killing motherfuckers and getting away with it. So I ain't finna do that because he ain't died for me. So I got to protect myself. And you got to do the same. Right? Fellas, when you get out of there, what that thing called love, you ain't gonna have no more problems. Ain't a such thing called love, fellas. She's here to build. She's here to help you build, not you help her build. I mean, you get a little makeup line or something like that, something to play with, Play-Doh or something like that. But other than that, nah, man, y'all got shit to do. You got a legacy to build. You know what I'm talking about? Fellas, if you're gonna get a woman that got more shit than you. Don't get a woman who got less shit than you, and you gonna fuck yourself. From the words of Brother Kish. Love don't mean a damn thing. Because bills come before love. Paying them bills come before love. Love ain't got shit to do with them bills. When rent come and goddamn water, electric, and all that shit out the door. Look, tax brackets, morals and tax brackets. Some of your kinfolks don't give a fuck about you. Because your kinfolks will watch you get murdered, won't do shit about it, but if the state come and offer them $10 million, they'll take that money and put on a sad face in front of the camera. Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Dropping this real shit tonight for y'all on this Sunday fun day. Shit. Exactly. Let me tell y'all something. We love unconditionally. A woman loves conditionally, right? Don't feed a woman and see how she treats you. Don't give her some dick and see how she treats you. This is an alpha male channel. I can talk like this. Real talk. Don't pay her no attention and see how she treats you. Women are property, fellas, and you need them, treat them forthwith. Okay? This is the channel we reprimand these bitches with prejudice. Okay? Real talk. She ain't have to cooperate with these people and put y'all children and you in danger. She could have got the money. Y'all could have built with each other on the money. You know what I mean? Y'all could have been balling. Y'all could have had a whole bunch of shit. But guess what? This bitch is greedy because she got some nasty ass homegirls right now plotting and shit. You know what I'm talking about? Man, it's a beautiful podcast, man. Damn. Man, we should have 15, 16 likes in this motherfucker. You know what I'm talking about? Real talk, man. Y'all should have like, man, I'm put up some shit. Just showed you that she didn't even have to cooperate with these people and you wouldn't be in this situation. She went down there and lied and said you abandoned your children. Use your brain, fellas. If she going down to go ask for some help, right? If she going down, Shalom, bro. If she going down to ask for some help financially, that means she cannot financially take care of your children on her own. Therefore, she needs to give them up to you, fellas, because your children are your legacy, right? We just dropping these facts over here. Love and emotions ain't got shit to do with principles. The principle of the matter, you fell in love with her. We all fell in love at one point in time. We all fell in love at one point in time. You know what I'm talking about? Trying to look out for her naughty head ass, right? But she go do the opposite shit because she got old bitch ass motherfucking her ear saying, "Good, I wouldn't let him do me like that. He ain't finna tell me what to do," right? And that's when that bullshit come to play. These bitches always going outside the household, going outside of your authority, going outside of your kingship, what she's supposed to be doing. She's supposed to be in that house cooking, cleaning, and tending to them goddamn children and rearing them, nigga. And if she's not doing that, she's your fucking enemy. Real talk. It's a very few good women out here left, fellas. We don't hate women over here. That's obedient. It's a very few that's going to be obedient to your wishes and your liking. Be patient and wait. If these bitches if they talking about the children and you know your child, the bitch know the child got a birthday, she ain't called or have the child call you for the birthday, cut that shit off. Don't let nobody disrespect you. Don't let no bitch disrespect you because she got your child. Then your child gonna start disrespecting you. Real talk. Don't let nobody talk to you any kind of way in front of your children. Nobody. I don't give a fuck if they the police, the president. I don't give a shit who they is. Make the bitch and whoever put respect on your name and her pussy ass nigga, she got a nigga around your children. I'm not finna go raise another man's child. No, I'm not finna do that shit. Fellas, man, it's been good. We gonna drop some pimp shit Friday night about how these pimps embody the Bible. Coming back with some FOMO. And next Sunday, we come down with some more laws for y'all. Amnesty. You know what I mean? Amnesty means to get rid of that child support shit. They fucking playing with y'all. They getting you to make a deal. Okay, you gonna sign this. If you sign this, you gonna have to pay us this. And this is amnesty. Them fucking lawyers, man. Ain't nobody calling out these lawyers, calling them frauds and shit. Family law is the bottom feeder. Family law is for bottom feeders. Real talk. Would you say no calls on Father's Day, Veterans Day, Christmas, New Year's, Daddy's B-Day if a hurricane hits his area? Nothing, bro. Real talk. Because this bitch is just trying to set y'all up. Make a bitch pay for your dick. Make her pay to fuck you. Because your time is the only thing that's valuable. You ain't gonna get back. This paper money ain't worth your time. You make motherfuckers value your time, fellas. All right? We about to sign off on this bitch. We're gonna hit y'all up next week. Same time, same place. Go check the child support record. What you got on the record. Okay? That's why a lot of niggas ain't getting out child support, because they don't know what's on that record. Congrats, AWH. Congrats. You know what I mean? Beyonce tricked these hoes, and that's what they bitch ass get. Peace.